Hello, thanks for checking back with Rocky Ridge Auto. Today I want to show you a little tip about replacing a battery in a key remote. You're thinking, no big deal, anybody can do this. Well, this is a 2020 Honda HRV, and it is pretty simple. One thing that is important to know, this screw here is how this case is put together and goes through this blade here. This little screw is a soft screw. It's not very strong. My point being, you need the exact right size screwdriver, or you will easily round this off, and then you're more or less screwed, I guess you could say. But they put Loctite in this on the end of the screw, and it sets up pretty hard in here, and it's harder to remove it. It's not impossible, but one trick is you want to press really hard once you have the correct screwdriver. Push down real hard and turn so we don't strip it out. So we'll back it out here. Once that's out, we will find this little this little pocket right here, and you just insert a screwdriver there and you just twist it. Pops open. Pop open the rest of it there. And here we will see our battery. Battery is dead. You can see it's a 1620. So we'll take our new battery, and we're going to pop that in, just like that. Very important to, you have the, I don't know if you can read that there, see the little plus sign, it's a little plus symbol right there. That means the plus goes down, plus is down, positive side is down. And then you're going to snap it back together. And that's that. Now the remote works again. You can actually hear the car beep if you listen close enough. And then we'll put this screw back in here. That's it. Follow us for more tips and tricks and cool car videos. Thank you very much. Rocky Ridge Auto.